Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Bruce DePriest.
Well, this winter has been pretty mild, but how does it compare to the warmest winters on record when you consider the meteorological winter, December, January, and February? Well, so far this winter, the average temperature for the greater Hartford area is coming in at 32.6 degrees. It's not even close to the top 5. The warmest winter on record was in 2001, 2002, when the average temperature was 35.2, and in 5th place is 1936, 1937, with an average temperature of 34.6. But notice, 3 of the warmest winters on record have all occurred since the year 2000. All right, tonight we're dealing with raw conditions. It's not very warm right now, that's for sure. We have a little bit of freezing rain in the northwest hills and the northeastern hills as well. For most of us, it's rain, drizzle, and fog. There's our iCam showing the kind of gray, overcast, foggy conditions in Hartford. You can see from Hartford 21, not only are we looking into the fog, but we're looking into the low clouds as well. And we also have a little bit of a lighter fog on our iCam in New London, where it's a bit on the breezy side there. We're 40 or higher along the I-95 corridor, but look at Windsor Locks at 33, Willimantic is 37. In western Connecticut, Waterbury is 37 degrees, and the visibility, it's not terribly low, but there certainly is enough fog to notice where it's down to about a half-mile visibility at the Waterbury-Oxford Airport. And we'll have areas of fog as we go into this evening. We're on the north side of a warm front. Most of the state has a wind out of the north or northeast, and it's especially strong in Bridgeport, where that wind is coming in at 16 miles an hour right now. But for most of the state, it's not terribly breezy out there. And notice off to our northwest. Now, after a front moves through, our wind is going to shift to the northwest, and that's where we find a temperature of 43 degrees in Syracuse. So before temperatures drop later on tonight, they could actually rise over the next 6 to 8 hours. So we got the rain and a little bit of freezing rain in Connecticut now, more rain across Pennsylvania. So it's going to be a while before we dry out. We'll have periods of rain, drizzle, areas of fog right up through around 1 o'clock in the morning, when there could be a little snow mixing in the hills as the atmosphere aloft turns colder. And then by morning, we're going to dry out and clear out as well. So lows tonight, 30s for most of us, upper 20s for the Litchfield Hills, and your highs for tomorrow are going to range anywhere from 35 in the hills to 45 along the I-95 corridor, right around 40 in Hartford. But I think temperatures are going to drop as the afternoon goes on. And by tomorrow evening, the wind chill is going to be in the 20s and low 30s. By midnight tomorrow night, wind chill solidly in the 20s, and by Thursday, 7 a.m., wind chills in the teens and 20s. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if it feels even colder than that, with wind chills in the single digits and teens by early Thursday morning. Here's your 7-day forecast. Thursday, sunny and breezy, a high of 30. Friday, we start out very cold near 12, but make our way up to 35 with plenty of sun in the afternoon. And then over the weekend, we're still going with sunshine and highs in the 40s to near 50. The next storm comes in on Monday, and it could last into Tuesday morning, and that may come in the form of either a wintry mix or rain, or both. For the shoreline tomorrow, a high of 44, but turning colder as the day wears on.